Big versus small. The elephant is big. The mouse is small. Few versus many. The apples are few. The stars are many. Thick versus thin. The book is thick. The paper is thin. Wide versus narrow. The road is wide. The path is narrow. Full versus empty. The glass is full. The glass is empty. Light versus heavy. The feather is light. The rock is heavy. Soft versus hard. The pillow is soft. The stone is hard. Smooth versus rough. The glass is smooth. The sandpaper is rough. Dry versus wet. The towel is dry. The cloth is wet. Deep versus shallow. The ocean is deep. The pond is shallow. Sharp versus dull. The knife is sharp. The spoon is dull. Clean versus dirty. The shirt is clean. The shirt is dirty. Straight versus curved. The ruler is straight. The rainbow is curved. Stable versus unstable. The table is stable. The chair is unstable. Open versus closed. The door is open. The door is closed. Visible versus invisible. The glass is visible. The wind is invisible.